Hi, welcome to the wedding of Zoe and Gareth, full of wedding ideas. The couple chose delicate peach organza bows, which matched perfectly with their rustic gold lanterns, holding a tall candle and finished beautifully with cream flowers. Instead of a traditional tiered wedding cake, the couple chose a chocolate brownie stack, with their initials on the front and finished off with a personalised cake topper. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more great ideas. Enjoy!
Passing day, holding closer, letting music play, moving forward, never looking back, following this perfect track. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Remember Paris in the pouring rain? We kept on dancing, didn't mind the rain. Through the seasons, through the passing years, every moment brought us here. Time is moving like a perfect song. Two hearts beating, can't go wrong. Feel the rhythm of this special day as the music starts to play. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Oh, from that first slow dance to this precious chance, all the world standing still as our hearts fulfill. Beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes us feel. Woke up early, heart beating fast, looking at my dress, can't believe we're here at last. Mom's helping with my hair, everything's in place. Friends arriving soon, got a smile on my face. Walking down that aisle, can't help but cry and smile. You're standing there waiting, my heart is celebrating. This was the best day of my life. Everything felt so right when you held me tight. This was the best day of my life. Saying I do with tears in my eyes, family all around us, blue summer skies. First dance together, spinning round and round. Our favorite song playing, feet barely touch the ground. Everyone we love here, the moment crystal clear. Two hearts united now, making our sacred vow. This was the best day of my life. Everything felt so right when you held me tight. This was the best day of my life. Looking back on photographs, every moment makes me laugh. All the little things we planned came together hand in hand.
for watching. If you're planning your big day, don't forget to take a look at our online wedding shop all about weddings. It's filled with beautiful, budget-friendly finds to help you plan the wedding of your dreams without breaking the bank. We've handpicked everything from bridesmaids' gifts to favours, confetti and centerpieces, and loads more, all at a price you'll love. Affordable, stylish and stress-free, let's make your day unforgettable together. Head over to our shop, the link is in the description, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us to reach more couples planning their big day.